In this video, I'll show you how to create an email group in Yahoo Mail quickly and easily. This is a great way to save time if you regularly send emails to the same people, whether it's for work, family, a team, or a small project. Instead of typing every address one by one, you can create a list once and use it again anytime you want. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to create the group. Once you're inside Yahoo Mail, look to the top right corner of the screen and find the contacts icon. This is where Yahoo keeps your contact tools and list management options. Click the contacts icon to open your contacts area. After that, look for the list section. This is the part of Yahoo Contacts where you can organize multiple people into one email group. Click lists to view your existing lists if you have any, or to start creating a new one. Now click Create List. This will open a new window or panel where you can build your email group from scratch. At this point, you'll want to enter a clear group name. Choose something that makes sense for the people you're adding, like team, family, clients, friends, or project updates. Picking a good name now will make it much easier to find later when you want to send emails fast. Next, add the contacts you want to include in the group. You can start typing names or email addresses and select the right people from your contacts list. Add everyone you want to be part of that email group. Take a moment to double check the name so you don't leave anyone out or add the wrong person by mistake. This step is important because once the group is created, you'll want it to be accurate and ready to use. When everything looks good, click Save. Yahoo Mail will now create your email group and store it in your list section. From now on, instead of entering every email address individually, you can simply select that group when composing a message and send it to everyone at once. That's really all there is to it. You've now created an email group in Yahoo Mail, and you can use it anytime you need to send the same message to multiple people. This is one of the easiest ways to stay organized and save time inside Yahoo Mail. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, tips, and quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.